Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 3 hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And our prompts for this week is dog and fabric. So I can't make up my mind which images I like because I fell in love with both of these. So I'm going to do two dogs. And for the fabric, I've got some fabric, Christmas fabric, and I think I'm going to do a fabric flip. So I hope everybody's doing great. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 3 to see what everyone else has made. This is a lot of fun. So I hope you'll watch. I hope you'll participate. This is a lot of fun. So without further ado, let's get started. Begin by working on my dogs. So one of them's going to be a journaling card, the bigger one, and I'm going to make a tag out of the smaller image. And I'm just going to cut it down and decorate it and have fun with it. I really enjoy this challenge. I know a lot of people say it's too soon for Christmas, and as for Christmas itself, yes, it's too soon. But it's always fun for me to decorate out of season. It just kind of gets you ready, and that way you're not so stressed by the time Christmas is here that you can enjoy without having to feel like you're pressured into making a lot of stuff. So I've always, whenever I would craft, I'd start in the summertime, start when I'd crochet or whatever I would be doing, making my things early on. My husband never understood it, but I know what I was doing. Once I get an idea of how I want everything laid out, I go ahead and ink around all my edges. I just love the way the inking just tones down that white edge. Now here I did ink the whole piece. I kind of wished I just left it white. It is Christmas after all. But I go back with some it's Tim Holtz Distress Oxide, so I go back with water and kind of tone it down. And I just snip my corners just like Rachel does at Roxy's Creation. I didn't really want to do the complete corner rounder, but I did want that little bit of snip to it. So here I am just spraying my paper, and then I'll blot it off. And it leaves a little bit of the discoloration without it just looking a mess. So I do that a couple of times, and I dry it in between until I'm happy with what I get. And I do love the oxidation that this Distress Oxide gives. I feel like my puppy dog on the left side needs just a little bit of something underneath him. So I grabbed my cheesecloth, and I love this cheesecloth. I had it years ago. I got it for canning of all things. And it's got a discoloration. It's a cream. It's not like your other cheesecloths. So it's really pretty. So I just cut a piece to go under the dog just to kind of help him pop from the background a little. And once I get everything to where I'm happy with it, I begin to glue it down. Now I decide my tag needs just a little something something, just a tiny bit of bling. So I get these gold, I get them at Dollar Tree. They're just a row of beads, and I'd glue those to the center of my poinsettia just so that it brings out that center. It's a little something without being over the top. Once I get everything on my card the way I want, I stitch around the edge. I just did a straight stitch on the journaling card, and I just did a straight stitch with some zigzagging on the dog card. And now I'm going to start with my fabric flip, and I just get some assorted fabrics, and I just cut some pieces about the size I think I'll need, and I just had some leftover lace and rack that I put at the top, and it was just so easy peasy, and I just think it'll add a lot to the journal. I'm definitely gonna have to go back and make some more. Well, here they are. I guess it's good that I can't make up my mind. So I have an extra card for Christmas. So I've got my dog and I've got my fabric, and I just did a fabric flip here. And I love how they all turned out, and I hope you do as well. Be sure and check out Amy's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 3 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all have a great and wonderful week, and until next time, bye y'all.